Hi, Chef Raphael here. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious greens. Today I'm making seveve and managu. What I like about it, it's organic. It's by Kilimohai organic. This is the mark of quality. Whenever you're buying vegetables and you see this mark, you know that vegetable is fresh and organic. Let's get started and you see how simple it is to make it. All the ingredients that I'm actually using, including the onions, are actually organic. Any vegetables that claims to be organic and does not have this, then you have doubts about it. Now for the recipe, the ingredients is simple. It's basically the managu and seveve, which is pumpkin leaves. The first thing you want to do after buying them, wash them under running water, cut them into smaller pieces. I also did the same thing for the onions, slice them, and that's all. So after washing and cutting them into smaller pieces, steam the vegetables. Put them in a pot with a little bit of amount of water and then cover the pot. Now what will happen is that on high heat, the little water will actually cook the greens for about 3 minutes. You don't actually need to cook it for too long. 3 minutes should be enough, so that any excess water that would come out from the greens will also come out, so that the next thing that you have to do is just to fry the onion. When the onion is nice and soft, I'll add garlic. So when you add the garlic, it's optional, but it also adds a nice flavor. The tip about garlic, always add it towards the end, don't add it at the beginning, so that you get that nice garlic flavor. So after the onion is nice and soft, add the pre-cooked or the steamed greens and then stir. So when you're doing that, all you need to do is to cook it for a few minutes. Make sure you add seasoning, salt and pepper, and let it cook for about 2 minutes, and then the food will be ready. The greens will actually be ready. When cooking greens, they should not take more than 5 minutes, and you want to see them nice and green, nice green color, and that's how you know it's not overcooked. All that is left now is to serve. What I'm serving it with is a nice, delicious fish in coconut sauce and some brown ugali or wholemeal ugali. It's a little bit of ugali, the fish, but the vegetables should always be more. There's nothing as too much vegetables. For more Kilimohai organic recipes, check out the link on the description of this video. All that is left is for you to enjoy, and I hope you'll enjoy yours.